How many side hustles have you started from watching a YouTube video? Maybe none that worked, because there are a lot of YouTubers talking about ways to make money, but they're just pipe dreams. You know, not things you're actually going to do. It might sound good, but you're just off to the next video trying to see what else can you actually do. Well, that ends today. This is going to be one of the best videos you ever watch. And I'm gonna show you 5 easy side hustles for beginners that I'm actually doing myself, or I know someone who's actually doing it. It's not just a pipe dream. The goal of this video is for you to find one idea and to run with it. I'm gonna make it easy for you guys. I'm gonna put it all into a guide and give you exactly what it is, how to get started, and how much money you can make, because that's the goal, right? When I show you number 3 on this list, I'm literally handing you the keys to your freedom. All these side hustles are completely different. So if you don't like the first one, stay for the next one, because there's something for everyone on this list. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, so number 5 is a field inspector. Now, I mentioned this before in one of my videos, but I have updated information and the pay has gone up tremendously. Now, this is one of the few side hustles where you actually have to leave the house, but it's simple. As a field inspector, you get paid to visit properties, take photos, and report what you see. No repairs, no license. You're just the eyes and ears for banks and insurance companies. Now, most jobs take under 30 minutes and the pay is between $20 to $75 each or more. Let me show you how to get to it on the computer. So if you go to Indeed and then just put in field inspector wherever you live, you'll see all the different opportunities and you can see that they pay well. Like this one is saying urgently hiring for $18 to $24 an hour. This is part-time, flexible schedule. They give you mileage reimbursement. And now this is one of the lower ends too. Like, let me just go through these really quick. $75,000 to $80,000 a year. That's probably a little bit more time sensitive for that one. But these are $50 to $61 an hour, $33 an hour, $60 to $75 an hour. So you can get paid really well when it comes to becoming a field inspector. And the way to apply is to simply go to Indeed.com and put in field inspector and look at the available opportunities in your area. The requirements are very minimal. Now, this is one of my favorite side hustles because it is so flexible and you can work within your own schedule and it pays pretty good. So check this one out. I'm gonna put all these into a guide so you can actually look and see which ones you want and click on how to get started so you can actually not just learn more but actually do more. Number 2 is one I wouldn't have believed it if I didn't try it myself. Now, some of you may or may not know, but you can make money by posting content on Facebook. Jeff Rose makes over $1,000 a day and it's not even original content all the time. We're talking screenshots of tweets, simple posts, things that take minutes to put together. Facebook is paying creators to keep people on their platform because the longer people just scroll and stay on Facebook, the more money Facebook makes from ads. So they share a portion of that with creators. And once you're in the monetization program, your post can start earning money. Jeff's first viral post made him $137. Another one made $500, and that's when he said, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing this. And now he's making crazy numbers like $40,000 a month. Now, I always say his earnings are his earnings. He does a lot, and I'm gonna get into it in a second, but just learn from people who are doing this and actually showing receipts and try it yourself if this is something that you wanna consider. Find content that already works on platforms like Twitter or Threads. You can already see that they're doing well, so you can go ahead and repost those on Facebook and always give credit to where credit is due. But watching what hits and doing more of that. So to get in the Facebook monetization program, you have to be invited. But I didn't even know that I could get monetized. All I had to do was press a button. So to get monetized, what you wanna do is to go to your personal profile, click on the 3 dots and turn on professional mode. Once you do that, then go to dashboard and then click on content monetization to see if you're applicable to be approved for content monetization. If you're not, it's okay. I told my son's barber this and he started posting a lot more consistently and then he was able to get monetized in no time. It's just being consistent. Like Jeff is posting over 20 times a day. So if you enjoy that, this is a great way to make money. But if you're just like, okay, that's just too much, posting 20 times a day, I totally get it, but it's a real way people are making money, so I did want to mention it. But there's a better way that I'm doing, and it's actually the only thing that I would promote right now because it actually gives you your time back. And it's something I would have never considered. And at the time on my channel, I interviewed people who are making money online. And one of the conversations that I had was with this gentleman named Andy Auday. And he started talking about how you can create a one-person business with AI. And it was about these AI voice receptionists. And I thought it was a pretty cool concept, but I'm just like, oh, that's a good idea, but not for me. But then I thought about my friend who works 2 jobs 7 days a week. And I'm like, this could be a great opportunity for her because once you set this up, you can just make money every single month for it. I told her to come over, I'm gonna try and make you some more money. So she came over and we sat down for 2 hours trying this out. We got a lot of no's, but we got one yes, and she left my house making an extra $1,000 a month. And that was the moment this clicked, because I could not believe this. It proved that this really works. So I started doing this myself, and it's not as easy as people make it seem, but it is doable. Anything you set your mind to, you can do. Local businesses are losing customers every single day, because they miss calls. What happens when a business misses a call? That person calls another company that will actually pick up the phone. Companies are not following up. They don't have a good online presence. They're losing money because they just don't have the time or knowledge on how to actually do these things. And that's why they outsource and hire other people. And the biggest thing is that they don't have systems. So I fixed that with AI. AI does 95% of the work. So these are the two things that I do. I help businesses get more Google reviews automatically. And my other service is I help businesses answer every single call, book appointments, answer frequently asked questions, and so much more. And that's it. And businesses pay me every month to keep this service running for them. So I get paid $297 a month for automating Google reviews and $497 a month for my voice AI receptionist. No audience, no daily posting. My clients don't even know that I have a YouTube channel. But nothing is harder than getting your first client. Ask me how I know. That's where most people get stuck. And that's because they can't do it. It's just they just don't know what to do, what to offer, or what to say. So I created a 30-day sprint that walks you through both. How to choose a service you feel confident offering, and how to get your first paying client. This is 100% free. I'm calling it a 30-day sprint. And I love this one so much because it gives you the freedom to get your life back and help businesses and make money in the process. So it's my absolute favorite one on this list. So I'm gonna put the 30-day sprint in the description below. If you see that it says close, then it's closed, it's over. But if you see that it's still live, then that means it's still up and running, so you guys go ahead and sign up. Next is freelancing. Now you can get started for almost nothing and use the skills you already have. Now I love talking about this because this was my very first side hustle when I was trying to figure out what can I actually do on the side while I was still working my 9 to 5. Now I didn't have any special skills, recommendations, or anything. And I used Upwork to make my first $1,000 a month online as a freelancer. Now for those who don't know, Upwork is a website where businesses, they actually go to find people that can actually do various things for them. Just take a look and see all the things that businesses are willing to pay for and for how much. I didn't know much when I first got started, but I knew I had these two things, YouTube and Google. What I didn't know, I looked it up. And now you guys got ChatGPT. And I didn't have any reviews or connections, but I just looked every single day during my lunch hour and at night, looking for the perfect position for me because I could only do so much because I was still working my 9 to 5. So I found an opportunity one day that was perfect for me. It was a marketing coordinator role for 5 to 10 hours a week for $25 an hour. I applied for it immediately. Now I had no reviews, so I told the client that I'll work 1 week for free just to prove to myself that I am capable of this job. She took the chance, loved the work, and hired me for 3 months and paid me for that free week that I offer for free. So that turned into a nice extra $1,000 a month. So I'm like, I know this stuff is real. This can be done. You just need to know what you can do and how to do it. That's the power of freelance marketplaces if you treat them strategically. Now, number one is one that sounds simple, but it's way bigger than people realize, and it's so good. If this is not even for you, you should definitely share this with someone who it is for, because it's incredible. And it's becoming a personal chef. Now hear me out, guys. This is literally one of my goals in life, is to have a personal chef, because I strongly dislike cooking. But this is not what you think. This is not about opening a restaurant or cooking all day for random people. This is very strategic. This is working with a small group of clients and getting paid really well to make their lives easier. So there's someone named Jessica Lebovich, I hope I'm saying her last name right, and she's been doing this for over 25 years. She did not plan this, but she was burnt out from working in catering, overworked, underpaid. And someone asked her one question: have you ever thought about becoming a personal chef? Her first client paid her more in one day than she used to make an entire week. So here's what that actually looks like. You work with a few consistent clients. You plan their meals, shop, cook, prep, and you're not just making food, you're giving them their time back. Most of her clients are busy families, professionals, people with dietary needs. They don't want to think about food every day. And Jessica recommends starting around $500 a day. She personally charges $650 a day plus groceries. So one client can bring in around $2,500 a month. 4 clients and you're at $10,000 a month working a normal schedule. No nights, no weekends, no burnout. Now, here's what makes this even more interesting. She didn't even grow this through social media. Her first real traction came from something simple. She wrote a story about helping a local family with food allergies, and she sent it to a small local newspaper. They picked it up, and that one story brought her clients. This isn't passive, but you are doing the work, but it's a high value work. You're not chasing hundreds of customers on social media. You're working with a handful of people who pay you consistently. So that's the list. Which one would you guys want to do? Do you like the list? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to see who actually stays until the end of my video. Let me know which side hustle you want to do. As always, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll put the guide below.